Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kajala Conrad Sangma ula ther teng MLA jong ka Liang Pyrshah da ka baong bakim Treh ban Treh lang bal ka sarkar ban wanra skim penroi haki constituency jongki. Conrad uda ong bhagari India barok ka wei bat hak berthei barok ka wei ki Liang Pyrshah ki jupan skim na ka sarkar nak benda ki kam penroi haki constituency jongki handai hak jila Meghalaya ki don ki MLA ki bakentaj wat tang ban Ïakynduh ni ban kren yu ku Menteri Ramba. Ula ong bakani kalong kumaki kentaj ban shim jingkit kli ke kerdan bakila syajiat kum kinong mikmat bat kani ke jingne jongki kalong Pyrshah ya kari ke badan ke jingsen syar Paidbah. Conrad ula ong bu kermen baki Paidbah jongki constituency badon kini ki MLA bakin pan RTI ban tip la kini ki MLA ni ki MP ki penteri bha ne em ki skim penroi. Ya kani ula kran ke jing pediang song bha yu MLA bat MDC barim kanong krem constituency uba lambor Liang ubala peneso bat ke seng NPP.
Used properly or not in these constituencies. I hope the people of those areas will go ahead and file RTI and find out how the MLAs are spending their MLA scheme properly or not. How the MPs are spending their scheme or not properly. Please file RTI, find out. I'm not seeing the kind of development and the kind of work that should be happening. And in governance, there is always opposition, there is always ruling. But for the sake of development of our people, even opposition MLAs in different areas, in different states, around the world, when required, work with the government for the development of their constituency. This is how democracy works. This is how governance works. But certain individuals and political parties refuse to even meet the chief minister. Refuse to even talk to chief minister, in the process neglecting their responsibility for which they are elected. They are responsible to the people of the constituency. We try our best and we would like to work, but if we don't find the road, the channel, the medium to go and give that development, we are handicapped. But I'm happy today that in Nokraim constituency we have a tall leader in the form of Palam. A person who's connected with the grassroots. A person who cares about development. I remember working last time with him, in the last term. The kind of roads that were made during his time. Still, it is those roads only that are present today in Nokraim constituency, no other road. The kind of schemes that he gave during his time, only those schemes remain. I'll be happy. Balapur, we work with you as a true leader who cares about his people, who's connected and wants to see a change and bring difference. We will work closely to ensure that we are able to make a difference at the grassroots level and work closely with your people, with our people, and the people of Nokraim constituency, and be able to give that kind of development that they deserve. Thank you. That they deserve. So friends, I will not take